Hello, good morning students. Now we are going to start self practice 15B. So before starting you should know what is median. What is median? Median in short you can say middlemost term. In short what you will say? Middlemost term. Okay. The median of a set of a number is the middle number when all the numbers are arranged in order size, that is whether it is arranged in descending order or ascending order. Okay. So what you have to do, when it is arranged in ascending order and number of terms are even, then what you will do, you will add +1 and divide by 2. Okay. When it is even, you will add +1 and divide it by 2. When it is odd numbers, then what you will do, you will take the odd number, firstly you will divide by 2, then nth the middle term will come 2, that both the terms you will add and divide it by 2. Okay, that both the terms you will add and divide it by 2, so you will have the median. Now see how. Okay, so what I told, that median is middlemost term. Middlemost. In short I am saying. And even number of terms are there, even number of observation is there, then what you will do? Nth observation plus 1 divided by 2. So you will get the median. And when it is odd number of observation, what you will do, you will directly do n by 2. After doing n by 2, what you will take? nth 1 by 2 plus nth 2 by 2 and whole you will divide it by 2. Okay, nth 1 plus nth 2 and divided by 2. Okay, you will get the nth term, the nth 1 and nth 2 term, and that you will divide it by 2 to find the odd number of observation. This is in the case of median. Now let's do the exercise. Now self practice 15B, first A part. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now firstly you should see what? It should be in ascending order or descending order. So all these numbers are in ascending order. Okay. Now how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many terms are there? 5 terms. So what will be the median? The median will be, see, 5, what I told, nth plus 1 by 2, that is which term will come? 6 by 2, that is third term. What is the third term here? 5. So median there will be 5. Because the third term is the median, so here the median will be your 5. Okay. Now see this B part of it. B part 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many terms are there? 8 terms. So what will be your median here? Median will be 8 upon 2, that is 4. So you will not take 4th. 4th term by 2 plus 5th term by 2. So what is the 4th term? 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 by 2 plus 20 by 2. That is your 8 plus 10. What will be her median? 18. What will be your median here? 18. Okay. Is it clear now? Now see the C part of it. Now see the C part of it. 60, 33, 63, 61, 44, 48, 51. Now here these are not in ascending order or descending order. So firstly you will do all in ascending order. Okay. So for writing in ascending order, so which is the smallest number here? 33. After that 44, 48, 51, then 51, 60, 61 and 63. Total how many terms are there? 7 terms. What will be the median here? 7 plus 1 upon 2, that is 7 plus 1 is 4th term. So what is the 4th term here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 51. So what will be the median here? Your median here will be 51 because the 4th term is 51. Now same way, see the D part of it. What is the D part? You see 13, 22, 25, 8, 11, 19, 17, 31, 16 and 10. So here also they are ungrouped. They will take in the ascending order. So your 10, first one will come 8, 10, 11, 13, then 16, 17, 19, 16, 17, 19, then 20 is not there, 22, 25, 22, 25 and at last row 22, 25, 31 will come. Total 10 numbers are there. Okay. Now, how many terms are there? 10 terms are there. So, what will be the median? That is 10 by 2. That is 5th by 2 plus 6th by 2. Means 5th term by 2 and 6th term by 2. So, what is the 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16 by 2 plus 17 by 2. So it will be 8 plus 2, 8.5, that is equal to 16.5. So what is the median in the D part? That will be 16.5. Median of this question is 16.5. Okay students. Now see the last question of this exercise, that is question number 2. Okay, you may see last question of this exercise, that is question number 2. So what you have to do? The numbers are written in ungrouped data 35, 28, 13, 17, 20, 30, 19, 29, 11, 10, 29, 23, 18, 25 and 17. So what you will do? Firstly you have to arrange all in the ascending order. So when you will arrange in ascending order, it will come like this: 10, 11, 13, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 25, 28, 29, 29, 30, 35. That came in ascending order. After writing in ascending order, what you have to see? How many terms are there? The total 15 terms are there. So what will be the median? 15 plus 1, 16 upon 2, that is 8th term. And which one is the 8th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one is the 8th term here? Your 20. So what is your 8th term here coming? 20. Okay. Okay. Now this self practice 15 B is completed. Okay.